హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం దుబాయ్ డాల్ఫిన్ ఏరియా దగ్గరికి వచ్చాం. ఇది డాల్ఫిన్ షో, డాల్ఫిన్ అండ్ షీల్ షో. సో ఇదిగో ఇదే ఎంట్రన్స్. ఇక్కడ లోపల అవుతుంది. సో 2 o'clock షో, కొంచెం లేట్ అయ్యాం మనం. చూద్దాం లోపలికి వెళ్ళి.
ఇది దుబాయ్ క్రీక్ పార్క్లో ఉంది కదా. సో దుబాయ్ క్రీక్ పార్క్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవ్వడానికి 5 AED ఛార్జ్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ లోపల మనకి షో టికెట్ వచ్చేసరికి 80 AED కలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు పర్ పర్సన్కి.
She was saying, thank you so much. Super Game Ivan. Friends, only for fun. Let's go. I don't know. Look, he's getting his hair ready. He's so handsome. Come here, big boy. Who is she? Which color she's wearing? What? Aha! Come, join me. Everybody clap your hands for her. Love me. Please. Now we have something for you. Look. Oh! I want to give you. Take it up. Come with me. Okay, now we have a surprise. You don't have it to go. Look at the camera, give me a cheek, and here we go. Closer. Thank you, no, okay, I will take it for you. Come on, everybody. Thank others. Too many shine. She'll like all the way with MC Firas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the romantic scene, Mr. Fred is going home. Fred, romance raya always. So I will ask you to put your hands up with me and say together, bye-bye Fred, bye-bye Konstantin and Ivan, spasiba vzkajava. Go to you! Is he here, Ivan? He's acting. Come on, clap your hands for Fred! He will go home. So everybody, for the last time with me, let's say bye-bye Fred, bye-bye awesome Ivan, the awesome trainer. Spasiba. Thank you so much. Be ready, because you're hit by the music now. Let's go. Ya marhaba, ya hayallah, one more time. Also the Lord, a good dolphin. Shukran. Hey, he got pushed 2 times today. Nemo. No. You should never push anyone in the water. So go back and help the trainer. Look closely, they will drop a heart together. MashaAllah.
Wow. The pool in front of you is 6.5 meters deep.
Whoosh. When the dolphins have a baby, they give the baby a birth and a name. And they call the baby by the name using the sounds. Each name has a special sound. لما الدلافين يصير عندهم together. Let's dance. Come on, let's dance.
Alright, everybody look at the screen. We got 3 major attractions in the building. The educational tool, the dolphins. Majestic swim with the dolphins. Meet and greet the dolphins. Wow, you can have kiss and play with the dolphins like this too. Super! Chill. Mammals, humans together, all the time, creating magic. For love. For joy. Yella Barafi, let's go shopping. You got this. Check it out. It's incredible! Friends, we represented the magic in the best city in the world. That's why I proudly say to everyone, Habibi, welcome to Dubai! Wow! Did you see that?
Of course, you get away from it. You know, friends. Everybody, clap your hands, Sakura! Hey, hey, come on, Ale, Ale! Why they call them bottle-nosed dolphins? Because the shape of the mouth look like a bottle. Luna? Lunet? Hula! Some video and let's see the sounds of the presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, the bottlenose dolphin! Lucy MC Sen, Luna and Gabriel here, Sugar Delphine. The water.
Alright, we're gonna get ready. Say what? The power, the joy, and now the
The guardians of the ocean. Yellow dolphins. Fly! Now my friends, listen to us please. Listen carefully. Put your mobile phone down please and keep your arms in front of your face like this. Don't use
take care of your eyeglasses. Take care of your mobile phones. Hands up all the time. Alright, that's it, that's it. If the ball is upside down, just leave it there. The team of Asha will try to help.
ఇది గ్యారంటీ
Keep your hands always in front.
fly! Second on the line.
one. Everybody, dancing trial. Mashallah, look at the baby.
Smooth. One more time. Don't do it. Please, water, be ready for some incredible nuance. Because now it's time for Dolphins Survey. What? Say hello to Ivana. Hello.
I think he got the team.
Wow.
All right, friends, if you think that's it, no. You know, more than the children, elders are looking for the ticket. Friends, yes, it's time to play the game, the lucky draw. Many of you have got the dolphin ring. One more time, together.
Wow. Now let me tell you something. To the white stage, white piece. So keep your cameras ready one more time. You can Yalla. Nemo, Tio, first the leaders. And Lucy the cutest. Say hello.
Follow up with Luna, Gabriel. Thank you, Dolphin.
You know what she said?
What's that?
So everybody now, with the music, clap your hands to the dolphin.
You know, Firas, Michelle is asking me questions about the very long. Bring the family of these beautiful bottlenose dolphins. Okay, now the youngsters will be going home. Ready? 1, 2, 3, throw it. Throw. Dolphin will pick up 2 rings. If that's your number, put your hand up. Abdulaziz, Shikram. Yeah, let's go. We got 1, we got 2. Okay, look for your numbers. I will call your numbers. The first place winner, Mamrook, number 48. 48, congratulations. Performing with Dolphin Kioma, the beautiful sister lady is Tanya. Right side with Nemo, performing brand trainer, Aiwa. Friends, my name.
Please subscribe and support me. Thank you.